Welcome all on our online class. Hope you are all well by the mercy of Allah. I am also fine. Today I will discuss about assertive into exclamatory. Be attentive and I hope you will stay until the class finish. Now come to the point. Assertive into interrogative. I will show some example first. Dear learner, if you see the board, then you can see very, very, very. If a sentence very, the structure will be subject plus verb plus very plus adjective. How plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus exclamatory. Dear learner, if you go this structure, then you will find subject plus verb plus very plus adjective. Nice. If we have this structure, then I have to make how plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus exclamation. Now we will give the answer. How nice Nasima sings! Exclamation mark. How nice Nasima sings. Here is that how replace very replace how, then nice, then subject, then verb, then exclamation mark. The second one, how fast bird flies. How tall Nasim is. So, if we study this sentence, then we will find subject in assertive sentence, subject, verb, very, adjective. In exclamatory, how, adjective, subject, verb, and exclamation mark. So I think that you understand this point. If we have very, very replace have, then adjective, then subject plus verb will be put in the ended. Then exclamation mark, you know, exclamation mark. If we follow this structure, then we can easily change assertive into interrogative, assertive into exclamatory sentence. Now we have another structure. Now I have written some sentence. If we follow the sentence, then we will find a very, a very, a very, a very. Dear learner, in our previous studies, we have seen only very, but now a very, a very, a very, a very. So our point is here that only very will be how, a very will be what, a or what, and. Now we have the structure. Our main point, a very. This will be omitted. Dear, if we study this sentence, then we will find a very hot. Then the last sentence. I read a very interesting book. Here, what and? Because if we put here what and replacing a very, then we have only a word interesting. This word is starting point vowel I. So I want to mention you that if we find any word which is start in vowel, then we have to use what and. If a sentence has a word which is in vowel, we have to use what and. If the word consonant, we have to use what a. Look, if we omitted here a very, then the word come dangerous. Dangerous start with consonant. So we have to put what a. But here the word interesting, which start with vowel, so we have to put what and. I hope you understand this point. If the rest word consonant, we have to use what and if we find the word starting with vowel, we have to use what a, and we have to follow the previous structure. Now we have another example. Sometimes we find a sentence with that I could be a poet. Would that I could be a side again. Would that. I wish. If we have would that, I wish, we have to put if to make it exclamatory. In this way, we can easily make assertive into exclamatory. Dear learner, observe it, or that I could be a poet. If I could be a poet, exclamation mark. Would that I could be a child again if I could be a child again. I wish I were a singer if I were a singer. In this way, we can make easily assertive into exclamatory sentence. Now we have another point. If the sentence starts with if the sentence starts with it's a matter of shame that it will be 5 praise bravo. It is a matter of joy, hurrah. It is a matter of sorrow, grief, alas. Dear learner, look the board now. If the sentence or assertive sentence start with this point, we have to use that point to make it exclamatory sentence. It is a matter of shame that we have to put 5. It is a matter of praise that we have to use bravo. It is a matter of joy, happy, rejoice that we have to put hurrah. It is a matter of sorrow, grief, sad, we have to put alas. Now we have some sentence to make the point clear to you. It is a matter of sorrow that he is no more. Means a person who died. Alas. When we have the sad news, we use alas. As we have used here exclamation, we have to put it a full stop. it is a matter of saying that he is a seed. So we have to change this word from that will be omitted. Hi. He is a seed. In this way, we can easily transform assertive into exclamatory sentence. Hope you must study at home and you have to exercise this point assertive into interrogative at home. Peace be upon you. You are invited to join our next class. Until then, Allah Hafiz.